Ever face the harsh blows that life sometimes throws at you? Those moments when challenges seem insurmountable and doubts surround you like a storm? You're not alone. As a man navigating this complex journey, there are times when life knocks you down, and people in their short-sightedness write you off. They underestimate you, doubt your abilities, and think you'll never rise again. But what if I told you that these very moments are the breeding ground for the greatest comebacks? I vividly recall a time when life had me beaten, lost, and battered. The pain was palpable, and the future seemed bleak. It was during these moments of despair that a fire ignited within me. A fire that whispered, "This is not where your story ends." I embraced the challenge, and in those moments of darkness, I found the strength to declare to myself, I will make a comeback. The essence of a true comeback lies in going into what I call ghost mode. It's a deliberate act of disappearing from the spotlight, muting the noise of the outside world, and delving deep into the shadows where you can work on your craft in silence. Going ghost is not merely about physical absence. It's about silencing the external distractions to confront your inner demons. It's about facing your own darkness, pain, and trauma head-on, using them as the very fuel that propels you forward. Yet the path of ghost mode is not for the faint-hearted. It demands a level of introspection and self-confrontation that many find uncomfortable. It's in the silence and solitude that you'll discover your true self. It's in the absence of distractions that you'll forge the steel of resilience. This journey is not about running away from your emotions. It's about using them as stepping stones to propel you to greater heights. But ghost mode is not the end. It's the beginning. The next crucial step in your journey to a remarkable comeback is to learn a new skill. As you vanish from the public eye, immerse yourself in the acquisition of a skill that not only intrigues you, but also has the potential to redefine your future. In my case, it was mastering faceless channels on YouTube, a realm completely unfamiliar to me at the beginning. The key here is not to spread yourself thin over a multitude of skills, but to focus on one that resonates with your passions and has the potential to open doors to financial independence. Learning a new skill is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about putting that knowledge into practice. Many fall into the trap of endless learning without taking the crucial step of application. Remember, knowledge alone has limited value. It's the application of that knowledge that transforms it into a powerful tool for success. With ghost mode and a newfound skill as your allies, it's time to inject an extra dose of power into your comeback. Productive vengeance. This isn't about harboring negativity or seeking revenge in a destructive manner. Instead, it's a strategic channeling of your anger and frustration into a relentless pursuit of success. Identify those who doubted you, list your enemies, and use their skepticism as fuel for your journey. Productive vengeance can extend beyond individuals. It can be directed against events or circumstances that scarred your past. For instance, if you witnessed your mother struggling to make ends meet, let the memory of those hardships drive you to build a future where such struggles are a distant memory. As you embark on your journey of productive vengeance, don't forget that the world is not your only competitor. Compete against yourself. Create a list of the qualities of the person you aspire to become. Visualize the better version of yourself, one who exemplifies discipline, resilience, and unwavering focus. This list becomes your compass, guiding you back on course whenever you find yourself veering off the path. In the grand symphony of your comeback, use negativity as a mere note, not the entire melody. Transform the energy of criticism into a powerful force propelling you forward. The comeback isn't just about proving others wrong. It's about proving to yourself that you are capable of achieving greatness. Your journey toward a comeback is a dynamic process, It's not a linear path, but a series of strategic moves, each contributing to the crescendo of your success. Embrace the challenges, confront your inner demons, learn new skills, seek productive vengeance, and compete against both the world and yourself. Remember, your time is coming, and those who underestimated you will witness your rise. They may not see it yet, but your comeback is inevitable. As you navigate this path, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you're on the quest to level up in life. Until next time, goodbye and keep pushing forward.